In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly connect your Metapixel to your Wix website. This is an invaluable tool for enhancing your marketing efforts as it allows you to track valuable user interactions and optimize your ad targeting. Let's get started. First, we need to acquire your Metapixel ID, which forms the bridge between Facebook's powerful analytics tools and your website. Start by navigating to your Facebook Business Suite or the Meta Events Manager. You can do this by visiting the link business.facebook.com in your browser. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Pixels section. Here, you'll have two options, either add a new pixel or select an existing one if you've already set one up. Upon selecting or creating your pixel, you'll see a pixel ID. The sequence of numbers is crucial, so be sure to copy it as we'll need it shortly when we switch over to Wix. Next, head over to wix.com and log into your account. Choose the specific website from your dashboard that you wish to connect with your pixel. Once you've accessed the dashboard for your chosen site, you're halfway there. From the left-hand menu within your dashboard, locate the Marketing and SEO section. This is where Wix houses various integration tools designed to enhance your website's marketing capabilities. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Marketing Integrations. Click on that and you'll find a list of all possible marketing connections you can establish through Wix. In this marketing integrations list, keep an eye out for the Facebook Pixel or Meta Pixel option. This is what you'll need to link the tracking ID we fetched from Facebook. Click the connect button next to this option and you'll be prompted with an input box where you'll paste the Pixel ID you copied earlier. Simply paste it into the box provided. You're almost there. Now to cement this connection, click on either Save or Connect. This will apply the changes and link your Wix site with your Facebook pixels, allowing for effortless data flow between the two platforms, and there you have it. Your Metapixel is now successfully integrated with your Wix website. By completing these steps, you've established a robust framework that will empower your online marketing strategy, providing you with critical insights into user behavior and equipping you to refine your approach to digital advertising. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide insightful and easy to follow. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on boosting your online presence. Until next time, happy marketing.